We do have new developments to report to you tonight, and that debate over the law banning transgender girls from playing in school sports. The ACLU filed a lawsuit to block it from happening, and today, Attorney General from Indiana, Todd Rokita, firing back, saying that he will gladly defend it. Dustin Grove now explains why.
In Indiana, the fight over transgender girls in sports is much like a bowl game. Each side working for a win. Not on this court, but in this one. On one side, those that believe transgender girls, females who were born male, should be able to play on girls' teams.
We don't want laws in this state that discriminate against one particular group of people.
And on the other, those who say this is not about discrimination. It's about fairness.
Female athletes deserve a fair competition and an even playing field.
Indiana lawmakers joined about a dozen other states this year, passing a law that bans transgender athletes from playing on girls' teams. The ACLU is trying to block them with a lawsuit, and Nathaniel Clausen is cheering for that team.
Here's Kieran as a baby.
He says his 9-year-old transgender daughter, Kieran, will undergo hormone therapy to make her no different than any other girl.
My daughter will never go through male puberty.
And the ACLU says there's no need for a law because there's already a state high school athletic association policy that requires proof of hormone treatment before transgender athletes can play. In court documents, though, filed by the Attorney General, the AG is defending the ban, essentially calling their case a slam dunk. In this 35-page brief, lawyers argue that IHSAA policy doesn't have a level it requires transgender athletes to meet. So basically, Rokita is saying the IHSAA policy isn't regulated enough to prevent unfair competition. As for the injunction to prevent that law from taking effect, a judge is expected to rule on that, and when we find out how that judge rules, we'll let you know.